Do you need to brighten up your kitchen with a little more under cabinet lighting? Then I would recommend these LED powered 11-inch strips available on Amazon. It's got a motion sensor. This is LED, so it's long lasting. There's a charger here and there's two buttons to turn it off and on, and you can turn off and on the motion sensor. They come in packs of 2 and mounting couldn't be easier. Each light comes with 2 metal plates. They have an adhesive on the back. And to mount these, you're simply going to flip the unit over. They magnetize to the ends. Once you've got them mounted, you're just going to peel off this adhesive and place them where you need them. I'm just using a little rubbing alcohol to make sure the surface is nice and clean. You can let it air dry, but I'm just going to wipe mine down really quick. And now we're just going to press it into place. I'll hold it for a few seconds. And now I'll turn it on. When you need to recharge them, you can just pull the unit down, simply plug it in, and it'll be recharged in a couple hours. And once it's fully charged, you can just pop it back in there. Find these simple to use under cabinet lights available on Amazon. Under cabinet lighting couldn't be any easier. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.